Let's take a look at the maximum and the minimum function in Excel. It is important to understand what the maximum and the minimum function actually means before we can apply them. The maximum value is simply finding the highest number in the range of cell, while the minimum value is the opposite, that is finding the lowest value in a range of cell. Let's head over to Excel and put this in practice. So these are some set of data that we worked on in our previous model. We will also use it to calculate for the maximum values and the minimum values in a cell. So we calculate for the maximum value in the range of data for this particular student, and also the minimum value in the range of data for this particular student, and thereby we will now apply it to other students using the drag and drop. So let's see how to apply the maximum value for the first student, which is Hannah. So apply our equal sign and we type the maximum value, which is the max. So once we do this, automatically we have an insight, or Excel gives us an insight of what the maximum value actually does. Returns the largest value in a set of values, ignores logical values and text. So after this, what we have to do is to open up a bracket and pick our first argument under, which is our first number. So for here we have our E4. So E4, we pick our first value and we'll apply our column and we'll pick the next value, which is J4. J4, and we'll simply close our bracket. So once this is done, the next thing we do is to hit our enter. So automatically Excel gives us the highest value, which is the maximum value in the range of data. Let's check this our own in a manual way. So we have 69, 48, 32, 98, 89, 56. So the highest value from this set of data is 98. It's simple on this data, but when you're working in larger data, that you can see how this function is powerful and how you can use it to achieve or make work easier for yourself. Let's also calculate the minimum for this particular student. We also use the same method, equals to, and type the value for minimum, which is min. So we also have what it means as Excel has given. Then we open up our bracket. Automatically we type our first argument, which are first value E4. We'll add our column and we'll close it. Our last argument, which is J4. Then we'll close our argument and we'll simply hit enter. So automatically Excel gives us the lowest value in that range of data. So let's also check it or look at it manually. So we have 69, 43, 32, 98, 89 and 56. So the lowest value for this range of data is 32. That means our minimum value is correct, which is 32. You can choose to drag this down to have other set of values. So this is how to calculate the minimum and the maximum value in Excel using this function. Max for maximum and min for minimum.